Yes, such a nice diffuser. But where's more? And where there's more, there's more. All right. Anyway, so from Brandon Polar from Instagram sent me the rest of the diffuser. I decided to add on to it. We're gonna dip into that. These will basically go on the sides right here. But we're gonna paint them, whatnot, and I paint usually in this garage. That means pulling this baby out. So let's pull it out. It's always fun pulling this car out, you know what I mean? Make sure my mirror's clear. All right. Hear it camming already. Woo! Alright guys, we're in the garage. The gurge, where I paint stuff hanging here. And after a while, I let everything settle. Blow things out, whatnot. Then park the car back in. Right now, we got primer going on. And I'm gonna do a black, that way to match the diffuser on the rear. And I gotta find some screws here to put this biatch in. So yeah, so far we're looking alright. I'm gonna hit it with a few more coats, and then we're going black. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. You guys can see I'm using a can, Rust-Oleum primer. So, I mean, it's whatever. I'm using this as the best result because, you know, COVID. Yeah. So, nothing major. There's multiple ways you can paint and do this, but this is just the way I'm doing it. Doesn't have to be great. Seeing it's on the back of my car, it's gonna pick up a lot of dirt, gravel, hit stuff. I'm not worried about how I paint it. Obviously don't want to go too close, you know, cause watermark, you know, leakage, and we don't like leakage. I don't think anybody likes leakage of anything, of any sorts. Yeah. Now we're hitting it up with the black. Got another train going by, as always, every time I do a video. Don't worry guys, I'm going to be coming back over these with different coats. The squeezer on this doesn't sound too healthy. But we'll make it work. Yep, all we're doing now is waiting for these basically to dry. Car's outside, my daughter's outside, smashing into my wheel. And the weather looks like it's taking a turn. So I'm gonna try and pull this in soon, or just roll the windows up, because I don't want it in the garage. You getting tired of being in your Corvette? I know, I should have got you a Mustang. Well, didn't take too long. Got a big gust of wind and whatnot. Rain's pouring. These are still drying. I moved them so I can get the car in here. It got wet. That's kind of good because I'm gonna wipe all this down. And she's curious about the rain. Delfina! Come here. Come here. Hey! Come on. I know, I don't need you getting all wet. Oh. But yeah. No biggie, I can still wrap all this up. The paint just waiting to dry, and then I'm gonna jack up the back end. Oh, we got some thunder. And then I can start working on this, figure out how I'm gonna do it. Now my wife just got home, and she bought me a pressure washer. Y'all fellas are missing out. You need to find you a good woman. I can't believe she did that. I told her not to, and she went ahead and bought one. It works. Alright guys, believe it or not, still the same day. Sun came back, rained again, sun came back, rained again, and the sun came back. So my car is dirty now because of it. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Yeah, you can see that. But yeah, that's just Wisconsin for you. Anyway, I'm putting these in. This is all I had laying around. I'm gonna make it work. So these are black, they're done, a little dusty because of the rain and the wind picking up stuff, but these have been dry, so no big deal. We're gonna back this in this way. Well, you know, you get it. Turn, you guys can see, lift to the back of the car up on stands. Makes it a lot easier to get to this and actually screw these in. I could do it with the car on the ground, but it's kind of a pain. I'd recommend lifting it up, but more room, the better. Let's dive in. Again, guys, car is dirty. Been off and on, rain storming on me here and there. It's a rough draft. Well, I mean, I don't have the nuts in yet. But as you guys can see, it looks pretty cool. Step out here. Man, it's dirty. But yeah, that's an idea of how I'm gonna do it. Look underneath. Drilled 3 holes there. There's the 3 holes. Like I said, she's dirty. I've been driving her a lot, so definitely needs a good detail. Alright, this side's done. All nutted up. Anyway, like I said, it's a little dirty. This side's done as well. I have to touch up with some paint again. It's hard to tell from here. Man, she is dirty. We're gonna definitely have to clean that. Definitely have to clean it. So much for that rain and wind and shit I got while trying to do this video. But yeah, thanks to Brandon. Another great product to add on to my diffuser. It's hot out here now, and the weather's just, it's beautiful. Go figure. Alright. I was gonna do this at the shop, but it's kind of a mess. And I got the stuff at the garage to do it. Now I just need to find a funnel, because I'm putting together the pressure washer. Lovely. Well, that's hooked up. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna clean that dirty bitch. Well, there we go. Got it cleaned up. Put that away. I suppose I could have shot some of the machine actually working, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what a pressure washer looks like. It's actually a really nice one too. Obviously I got to dry the car down and give her a good detail. I just wanted to get all the dirt, dust, grime, shit like that off first before I actually wipe her. The diffuser looks really nice. And there we are. All I did is wipe it down really good with speed glass from Deluxe Car Care. And did the windows as well, crystal clear, which is also from Deluxe Car Care. I did not use Hydro Bead or anything yet. Already got some stuff falling on my car already from outside. The wind's still blowing. I've not done the wheels. I skipped that for now. But I just wanted to wipe her all down. That way I didn't get any rain spots or anything. Or the water drops. Water spots. I can't speak. Worth a dang. Anyway. Looking good. Little add-on. I like it. I like it a lot. I know I've got the larger fins, so these stick out obviously more than this well. This is just more of an add-on I wanted onto it. Don't mind that little scratch there. Someone rear-ended me once. It was glorious. Just glorious. Alright. Hopefully that wraps this up. I keep kind of doing little skits here and there and jumping around. That hood, bro, nobody wants it. But I'll do it. Alright, take care, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, you know what to do. So do it.